Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming Chrome is current and you're signed in so extensions, sync, and preferences persist. Once done, open the Chrome Web Store from the Apps Grid or type Chrome//extensions, then click the store link. This ensures you get compatible extensions and prevents update conflicts later. Make sure you use your primary account so permissions and sync behave predictably. Now that you're in the store, search for a function-specific extension and read its short description and ratings before moving forward. After choosing an extension, click Add to Chrome and carefully review permissions because they explain what data the extension accesses and why. Once installed, pin it to the toolbar for quick access and open Chrome//extensions to view details, toggle it on or off, and set site access. Next, go into the extensions options to configure defaults like behavior on specific sites, keyboard shortcuts, or sync settings. This step reduces surprises and tailors the tool to your workflow, making it efficient from the first use. Now test the extension on a relevant website to verify core features work and that it behaves as expected. If something breaks, disable other extensions to spot conflicts and re-enable them one by one. This isolates the culprit. Make sure the extension and Chrome itself are updated and remove extensions you don't trust. If issues persist, check the extension's errors in Chrome//extensions, restart Chrome, and relaunch the site. These steps resolve most problems while keeping your browsing secure and predictable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.